Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome to another YouTube video. First thing I want to say to you guys right now is, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos, because I do post 2 to 3 videos every single day. And make sure to like the video because it does support the channel so much and increases a lot of different viewers to come back to the channel and, you know, just expand the community. But yeah, so I did this for you guys yesterday to see if you guys wanted to increase, put a buy entry. I actually did enter. I didn't enter up here actually. So I put this up for you guys. And then after me checking about like what was happening with Bitcoin and things, seeing that there was a like little bullish reversal on the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin, I actually entered literally as we tested this EMA. So I think I got just under 3%, yeah, 3% for this trade. So I was actually really happy with this trade. So I hope you guys got in on this trade as well. We currently see, let me get rid of this for you guys now. We can clearly see a little flag pattern forming. So this would break up to the upside again. So that would actually confirm my target of 136 that I said yesterday if we do actually break to the upside, because that was a very strong resistance. Of course, there's a lot of things to actually focus on right now, because what we could see with Litecoin is we could see it push upwards to the EMA or upwards to the 136 level and then come back down lower, and then it could actually have like a fake out here, like a bear trap, and then it could actually just pump, okay? And we don't want to miss the boat for that, okay? So just letting you guys know is what could actually happen. I'm saying it could come to this level right here because that was a strong resistance for a while, and it is currently the top of where our falling wedge is, okay? So a falling wedge, we obviously broke up to upside as per usual of these falling patterns, and now we're actually currently trying to test the EMA. If we do break above it and get some random volume, then we will be seeing a bit more upside, okay? However, if we do come down and this was a fake out, then we will just drop straight. That's what will happen. Just like, well, I don't know if I can find any examples, but yeah, just like I guess over here, when like if we go into the lower time frames, and I drew it before, it was like we actually classed it as a fake out, and then it just collapsed. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting if it is a proper fake out of a breakout. So just drop straight, because obviously there'll be too much selling pressure to even like cope with anything. We have actually managed to get above the $130 level, which was a lot of resistance. Let me show you. So the $130, this red line, okay? So if we were below it, it was hard to get above it. And if we did get above it, we did have a massive pump, okay? As you can see, when we did have a pump, we came back and bounced on the $136 level. So they're both very good and strong support zones, okay, guys? So you don't want to be messing about with those. We can see on the daily, I mean, now that we're here, that we actually did have a very big green candle to actually reverse all the price movement from the 2 days before. So that big low test we had, we literally reversed it like completely, and now we've pumped. So what is next? Like, that's like a good question. So if we go to a 15-minute time frame, it's not going to show us what's completely next, of course, but it's going to show us how we're actually currently moving. So as you can see right here, like I said, we are in this current pattern where I actually would draw it like this, okay, guys? I wouldn't draw it like how I just did. I'd draw it like this, because first, this is how you would draw it if you didn't know about, if you draw it straight away. So then that would be classed as a breakout, and everybody here would get in on their entries, stop loss here, and it would pump. But because we're seeing it a bit late, we're not going to draw it like this. Oops. We're not going to draw it like this and lose all this support that we should have actually, resistance that we actually should have encountered with it. Okay, so we're going to draw it properly. Okay, just a bit of common sense, really. Like, or don't just miss these resistance points, these high tests and whatnot over here. Okay, they're very crucial, because this actually was a breakout. Okay, as you can see, it was a breakout, and we even had this high test over here. Okay, so that would have been a candle to get a lot of people buying Litecoins, try and go to the moon. You know what I mean? The FOMO start to kick in. But obviously, that was a fake out. Was it a fake out, though, or was it just a retest? And are we going to go to the moon now? Okay, that's what we need to check out. So if we do actually cross these again, we will be coming straight down. But if we do actually have that big engulfing candle, which takes out these two previous candles, okay? So if we have a engulfing candle which goes above $132, then 100% we should be seeing a bit higher price movement. My target would obviously be $133, which is 133.5, because that is obviously the top of this falling flag, okay? So that's where we should actually be targeting any bullish momentum, any bullish trades, which I'm not getting into right now because the margin's too small for me. And like the spread, if I got in on the trade, would just kill me. Like if I got in on a trade here, it'd like count as me getting in here, and if I got out here, it just wouldn't be enough profit. So to manage the risk. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So if you guys, I want to know what you guys think about Litecoin right now. Actually, I want to know if you guys are buying it up, if you guys are selling it, if you guys are trading it, if you guys are waiting for it to come lower, or if you guys think that the bottom is in. Do you guys think the bottom is in right here? If anybody did get in on a trade right here, well done to you. That is a phenomenal trade. Literally, like, look how high we've come. So if you actually think that, if you think it's over, let me know. I didn't see that actually until I actually zoomed out. But now I've seen it. So let's grab this one, and see if we can move it up here. Okay, so we can see that our flag pattern is just about to touch here. So we have an equilibrium. So what is going to happen, guys? Are we going to, let me know what you think. Are we going to come up here and then moon? Or are we going to break to the downside? What do you think? Let me know what you guys think. So it is a very tricky one, actually, because there's a lot of things that could happen here. Because as you guys are aware, the similar thing to where we are right now happened over here, and we pumped. Yeah? So what do you guys think is going to happen? We touched the top, fell here. So this is a similar resistance point where we're currently at. You can see here, we're touching that 131 dotted line, which is very, very strong resistance as well, / support. It currently is support, actually, for us, which is a good thing. Yeah, just about support. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think these EMAs are going to twist? Personally, I think we might see a little bit more downside. But yeah, I'm going to do a metaverse project right now, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.